how I created this function for the time in seconds of the video and the ball height from the ground in feet. What I did is I looked at the video and I saw when there was constants and when there were up and down slopes. And what I did is I graphed the constants first. Graphed all of the constants so I could easily tell what I would need for these up and down movements of the ball during the video. So when the ball was in my hands or when I was first passing it, it was at a constant motion or at a constant height of it was at a constant height of 4 feet. Then when that was done, since the bounces were pretty quick and close together, what I did is I kept them pretty close to each other, and I did these quick up and down movements. So the constants I laid out first, then I laid out each one of these up and down movements when the ball was like bouncing. So I would like throw it off the wall, it would bounce in on the ground and bounce up to my hands. Those are these little V's in the graph, or W's in this case, and V there. But basically what I did is I looked at the slope and I saw it went from here to here pretty quickly. So I took 2 points, and then the line pretty much solved for itself. So once you put the 2 points down, you can pretty easily see that it's a 4/1 slope. So, for example, here it was -4, -9. I just put down a point, and it solved for itself. Then put down a point, solved for itself. So these little up and down movements I graphed pretty easily, and it's basically when the ball was bouncing down and then bouncing back up, bouncing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And the function, I created the function with all of these different equations, and the ones that have like just the 4 are the constant ones, because that's when I held the ball in my hands for a long amount of time. It was just in my hands the entire time. Then these quick little lines like right here, are when I was passing the ball, when I first passed it. And those were demonstrated by quick little domains of just 1 point. And it just went over 1 point. And so that's how I created the function in context.